In this video, I will show you how to connect a MacBook to a Canon printer. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So connecting your MacBook to a Canon printer is a straightforward process, and that can be done wirelessly or via USB. Now for the first step, what we are going to do is unpack and power on your printer, and you're going to remove it from its packaging, plug it into a power source and turn it on, and make sure you load paper into the tray. Now for the next step, you need to connect your printer to your home Wi-Fi network, and the exact steps vary slightly by model, but generally involve using the printer's control panel. So to connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network, first thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your Wi-Fi setup or network settings menu, and you're going to select either the easy setup or the standard setup. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to choose your Wi-Fi network. So from there, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Now moving to the next step. Now this is a crucial step if you'd rather connect via USB or wired setup, and this is an alternative to step 2. What you're going to do is you're going to get a USB cord that has USB to USB, and one hand is going to go to your printer and the other end is going to go to your MacBook. But if your MacBook doesn't have a USB port, you're going to need to use a converter of some sort to connect it. From here, the next step will be to add the printer to your MacBook. To do that, you're going to go to the left side of your screen and you're going to select the Apple logo. It's going to open a dialog box, and what you're going to do is you're going to select System Settings from there. Now the next step after that will be to navigate to printers and scanners. Now once you click on System Settings, you're going to scroll down and click on Printers and Scanners, and from there we're going to go to the next step, of which it would open a dialog box for you to add your printer. And once the dialog box is open, it's going to give you the option to add a printer, and that's usually a plus icon at the bottom of the dialog box. You're going to click on that, and from there you're going to select your Canon printer from a new dialog box that it opens up. Now sometimes it will require you to search for the printer, so you're going to search for it here, but if it's connected properly, it should show automatically. If not, try reconnecting again and then you select your printer. Now that's how to connect a MacBook to a Canon printer. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Kraus Media. On to the next one. See ya.